Hi everybody, Isabel here. Thanks for watching. Today we're at Cinco Cacao in Quindio, Colombia, and we're gonna do a chocolate tasting. Before we got into the cacao production and of course the tasting, we got a tour of the farm and it's just so beautiful. They grow so many different fruits and vegetables. It was just such a nice experience. The cost of the tour is 75,000 Colombian pesos if you're a group of 3 or more, which is about 21 US dollars. Now let's get to the production of the cacao. The cacao tree produces these large pods. Inside the pods, there are the cacao beans. Once the pods are nice and ripe, they are split open. Inside you'll find the cacao beans, which are surrounded by this sweet white pulp, which we got to taste. And I have to say, it was really delicious. Once the pulp and the beans are scooped out, they'll be left for a few days for fermentation. Then they will lay them out in the sun to be dried out. After they're dried out, they will peel them, and from there we get amazing chocolate. After peeling and grinding the beans, now they're gonna melt it and make us some chocolate. And now for the best part of the tour, the tasting. We got to taste the chocolate in 3 forms. Pure hot chocolate, which they serve with croissants, nips over fruit, and of course, just regular chocolate. This was my first time at a cacao farm, and I have to say, not my last. What a great experience. I learned a lot, and the best part was the tasting. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, everybody. Bye.